Welcome back, guys. In this episode, I'll let you know what the seventh thing that I got for my Jeep. Let's make our way onto the inside of my Jeep. I actually got the inside roof liners, or I believe that's what you call them, or called something else, but you can see these are liners. Is for the back and the front right there. Now, reason for those liners is to help with noise and insulation. Now, when I got this, it was in, I would say, peak summer, and we were getting triple digits, and basically my rooftop over or underhead is really hot in the summertime. So with these liners actually help cool it down. It help absorb and deflect the heat back up to the roof. So it actually makes I would say 10 to 15 degrees cooler in the hot summer. So that is the seventh thing that I got, was the liners inside my Jeep right there. All right, guys, stay tuned for more. I'll let you know what the eighth thing that I got for my Jeep. Peace.